Here's how to download and install Alight Motion on your Windows PC or laptop. Since Alight Motion is a mobile application, we'll use BlueStacks, an Android emulator that allows you to run mobile apps on your computer. Let's get straight into it. First, open your web browser and search for BlueStacks. Select the official BlueStacks website from the search results, then click the Download button. Once the installer has finished downloading, open File Explorer and locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to launch the installer, then select Install Now. BlueStacks will download and install the required files. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection and computer speed. Once BlueStacks opens, select System Apps, then launch the Google Play Store. Use the search bar to look for Alight Motion. Select Alight Motion from the results and click Install. You'll need to sign in with your Google account before downloading apps from the Play Store. After the installation is complete, click Open. You can also launch Alight Motion anytime from the BlueStacks home screen. When the app starts, click Get Started. If a free trial offer appears, you can close it using the button in the top right corner. To create your first project, click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, choose your project settings, and start editing. And that's how you can install and use Alight Motion on a Windows PC or laptop. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.